Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to save and share your Snapcode on Snapchat app on an Android device. Well, knowing how to save and share your Snapcode allows you to easily connect with friends and followers on Snapchat. Saving your code enables you to keep a digital copy of your unique QR code, which others can scan to add you as a friend on Snapchat. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, of course, you have to go to the Snapchat application. And then here you can enter to your profile page. So now click your Snapcode and then you can select Save to Camera Roll option. Okay, so the way to share it, you can directly click this option and share it with your friends via the social media apps. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to save and share your Snapcode on Snapchat application on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.